Hey there, VidaPay merchants! Looking for ways to increase foot traffic in your store? There's a new service you can offer that will make your store the hub of the neighborhood. Help serve your existing customers and attract new ones with Amazon Hub. Here's how it works. The customer shops on Amazon and they select a locker location as their delivery address at checkout. The package is delivered to the hub and scanned into the system. The customer is then notified with their pickup code and they're able to head to the store to claim the package at their convenience. A hub locker brings hundreds of unique customers to your business each month. The locker is completely automated and the packages will be scanned in by the delivery driver, so you don't have to do any of the work. And installation and maintenance are completely free, so it's a no-cost addition to your business. Nearly half of locker users report making a purchase while picking up their packages. That means Amazon's customers become your customers. Use it to monetize your unused space and even place impulse items nearby to help drive new sales. 36% of customers report having had a package stolen. And with more and more people ordering things online, this is a great chance to provide your local area with a safe place to pick up their packages. Act now before someone else in your neighborhood does. Click the link below to get started and become a hub.